Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking battery saver and power settings on your phone. Disable battery saver temporarily to see if hotspot stays active. Check cellular data and signal strength because weak signal can drop tethering. Inspect recent apps that manage networks or sleep functions and close them. Reboot the phone to clear temporary conflicts and test the hotspot again. Note the time and conditions when the hotspot turns off to identify a pattern. Open Settings and go to Network and Internet or Connections. Disable Battery Saver and select High Performance Network Mode for stable tethering. In hotspot settings, change the timeout to never or to a longer duration. Set the Wi-Fi sleep policy or keep screen awake while tethering to avoid automatic shutdown. Ensure mobile data remains active and does not switch to airplane mode. Save changes and reconnect client devices to test stability. Update the phone operating system and carrier firmware to the latest release. Install app updates and remove apps that aggressively manage background activity. If problems persist, reset network settings and remember to backup Wi-Fi passwords first. Consider USB tethering to the computer or using a dedicated portable hotspot device for reliability. Monitor battery temperature and avoid extreme charging while tethering to prevent automatic shutdowns. Recheck hotspot after each change to confirm the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.